Let's have a look at how to blur images and pictures in Canva in 2023. In fact, this recently changed a little bit, and that is why a lot of Canva users are probably very confused at this current moment because they don't understand anymore how they can actually blur their images and pictures in Canva. So with that said, here's how you do it now. Left click on the image, then go into Edit Photo, and then instead of going to Adjust, make sure that the Effects panel here is selected, and then simply click here on Blur. And this will immediately apply a blur with the intensity of 50 to your image. You can obviously always go in there here then and reduce the intensity or make it even stronger. Now, while this is very easy, it's actually still very confusing because in the older versions of Canva, what you had to do is to go into Edit Photo, then go into Adjust, and then you have this fader here, Sharpness, that you can still use now. However, when you move it to the left, this doesn't really apply a big blur to the image anymore. This is just blurring the image a tiny little bit. In older versions, however, when you use that fader, with the very same fader, you could either completely blur a picture or make it very sharp. But this is not the case anymore in this new version of Canva. When you use this fader here and move it to the left, even when you move it almost to the end, this will only apply a tiny blur to your image. Let me just show you that real quick. As well. So I'm just going to choose a new image here first. Maybe let's take that one here. I will go to Edit Photo, then Adjust. And now let's say I would like to blur that picture, so I would use this sharpness fader here, move it to the left. And as you can see, even when it is -100 here, this only applies a tiny little blur to our image. So here as well, if you would like to have a more intense blur, what you would need to do is to click here on Effects and then click here on Blur to really apply a strong blur to your image or picture in Canva. And that's it, guys. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.